Okay, if you live in Australia, use this sound so that others in Australia can use this sound to find you. Then we all become mates in Australia.
Hi, Tanvi from Marcy Slime Co. So I'm going to be telling you what I added into the slime smoothie. So I added brown butter slime, which was super glossy, with some mojito you might have seen. Some snow slime, like the purple color one with beads. Some little bit of Binksy slime on top. Some clown slime, of course. Some jelly slime, a jelly and butter slime mix, a foam slime. It turned into this like super thick burgundy kind of color slime. It was super nice and stretchy, and it was really nice. Bye!